Hello dear children. Today in this class we are going to start a new lesson, that is lesson number 18, adverbs, from your English 1 book. And in this class we will do only the explanation part. Exercises we will do in the next class. So without any further delay, take out page number 76. Now what is an adverb? An adverb is a word that tells us more about a verb, like how the action is done, when the action is done, where the action is done, and how often the action is done. Adverb tells you about all these things. Alright, for example, the dancers moves gracefully. Now the dancers is a noun, moves is a verb. The dancers moves. Now how they moves? Gracefully. We are adding more meaning to the verb moves. Alright, so when you are adding more meaning to a verb, then it becomes an adverb. The dancers moves gracefully. Gracefully is an adverb. Now there are 4 types of adverbs. In your book it is written adverb can be of 3 types. There is a printing mistake, so do the correction from page number 77. Adverb can be of 4 types. You cut the 3 and write 4 above that. Number 1, adverbs of manner, adverbs of place, adverbs of time, and adverbs of frequency. Now what are all these things? Adverbs of manner tells us how something is done, how the action is done. Now in the example you see the old man shouted. The sentence is completed here, right? The old man shouted. The old man is noun, shouted is verb. Now we have to tell how the action is done. Shouted. How did he shout? Very softly, very angrily, very loudly, how? So we have to add more meaning to the verb shouted. That's why we are using the word angrily. In place of angrily you can use loudly also. You can use aggressively. Any word you can use which will add meaning to the verb. For example, the old man shouted angrily. Angrily is the way or the manner of shouting. Next is adverbs of place. It tells us where something happened. Place. You have to understand what is place now. Anything, a place where something has happened. Okay. I went there looking for you. I went looking for you is a complete sentence. Now where did that person, he or she, where did he go? Where did she go? It is written I went there. Instead of there you can write I went to a hotel, I went to a park, I went to a market, I went to a school. Anything you can write. Place of name can be anything. Here, there, up, down, outside, inside, downstairs, upstairs. All these are place. So here I went there. There is a place. Looking for you. Went is a verb and there is a place. I went there looking for you. Next is adverb of time. Tell us when something happens. When. It may be today, it may be tomorrow, it may be day before yesterday or day after tomorrow, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, or last year, next year, 10 years ago. All these are time. Or you can actually mention the time like 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 10 o'clock, or just a few minutes back, or after some few minutes, like this. You have to mention the time when the action has taken place. For example, I woke up early this morning. Now early is a time. Okay, early indicates time. I woke up early this morning. If instead of early, if you simply write I woke up this morning, then also the sentence is correct, but we have to mention the time so that it will be clear then that when the action has taken place. So we have mentioned early. You can write I woke up at 7 o'clock in the morning, I woke up at 8 o'clock in the morning, that is also correct. Alright, so I woke up early this morning. This early, the word early tells us when something happens. The last one is adverb of frequency, tells us how often something happens. How often? At a regular interval of time, how the work is done. Example, he sometimes does his work carelessly. He sometimes does his work carelessly. Now, which is what is the adverb of frequency here? Sometimes. He does sometimes, not every time. Sometimes he does his work very carelessly. If you write he does his work carelessly, the sentence is not wrong, but you have to mention a word which indicates adverbs of frequency. So we are writing sometimes. He sometimes does his work carelessly. Instead of sometimes, you can write often also. He often does his work carelessly. Understood? So the explanation part is completed. What is an adverb? Adverb is a word which tells us more about a verb. There are 4 types of adverbs: adverbs of manner, adverb of place, adverbs of time, adverbs of frequency. And then in this page we have the explanation. You do one thing, you have to write the names of the types of adverbs, definition of adverbs, and the definition of all the types of adverbs in your copy neat and cleanly, and learn the definition with examples. All right, thank you.